My makeup is a complete mess today. You know why? I have this box here. It's like an old Look Fantastic box, and I have my cosplay makeup, whatever it is. I have that in here, you know, just things that I don't want to use on a regular basis. Like this eyeshadow, for example. I look horrible. Horrible. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse this mess. I look horrible. Like, it has worn down already. Like, it's like the blush is not as intense as it was, but oh my god, please excuse this. I want people to take me serious as a beauty YouTuber, and then I look like this. I have a review and first impression video for you today. It is about this product here. This is the Real Chemistry. Oh my god, I can't read. I need my glasses later on. Luminous 3-minute peel for instantly smoother, brighter, and softer skin. This is what the packaging looks like. It is 20 milliliters, and I got it in a Look Fantastic box. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is all like the instructions. And I read that in my Look Fantastic unboxing, and boy, that took me a long time. But in case you haven't seen that, I will read it to you again because I like to torture myself. So let's go. Directions. But this is not a mask. The peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Spread gel thinly over damp skin with damp hands, perhaps in the shower, as a small amount of water is required for proper activation. Immediately begin massaging the entire area in circular motion. Apply light to medium pressure to ensure proper contact, but do not rub your skin. Within 15 to 20 seconds, solids should form under your fingertips. The solids you feel are a combination of the peel and the epidermal tissue. The peel is applied as a gel and removed as small solids after having combined with the dead tissue. Okay, so far so good. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that all of the product has combined with as much dead skin as possible and that no peel has been wasted. Wash face, rinse, and begin second half of face. Peel once per week for normal skin or as often as 3 times weekly to prevent acne. Warnings: topical use only. Would you say external use only? Oh, not English, I don't know. Avoid eyes, nose, and mouth. Do not swallow. Discontinue topical use if significant irritation or redness occurs when used as direct. And I don't know if this is cruelty free or not. So basically, the way, I mean, it's very simple, but it's just so much unnecessary writing on the packaging. Basically, you wet your face and your hands, obviously. Put a bit, small amount on your hands, fingertips, and then rub it in. Circle motions, that's it. Then you have to hold it. Yeah. Anyway, so I did as told. I did my forehead first and then the rest of my face. You know, because I concentrated here, and then I had 2 hands for both cheeks. And I will insert that here. I will give you a little of a talk over, if that makes sense, and then I give you my conclusion and what I feel like happened, or how my skin felt. So as you can see, I started off with my forehead. I used, well, you know, a good amount. Put it on my fingertips and then just rubbed it in, and I immediately felt my skin coming. It's not really my skin coming off, but it is, you know, like tissue and whatever it is, like dead skin cells and whatever. I actually really love that, and it felt good. It was a bit scary at first, but it also felt very nice. And then I just proceeded to rub that in, and then I wash it off. And for my cheeks, I had a bit of, like, maybe it was because the area was bigger or not, but like, I had a bit of a problem there. I had to use a bit more, I feel like. Maybe I should have done one cheek and then the other cheek, but I did both at the same time because I'm freaking lazy. I also didn't feel a lot of dead skin cells or like clumps or whatever it is you have on your hands. I didn't feel that. So at first I was like, maybe this is not working, maybe I should use more, but after that I actually felt, you know, it feels like sand a little bit. I felt it on my fingertips. I was like, okay, it is actually working, thank God. And then I washed it off. So I don't know if you could tell from my face, but my skin felt so soft afterwards. And like I said, I was a bit scared. Like not, I didn't fear for my life, right? But like you rub it in and you can literally feel your skin coming off along with the product. You know, there's also product in, but so weird. It's not hurting you. It's not burning your skin off, but you can actually, like, it's so fascinating. This is what science is for. This is nice. My skin was so soft afterwards. It still is. I did that yesterday and so soft, so beautiful. And I feel like the cream that I used afterwards, it was easier to apply that, you know what I mean? My skin was smooth, put the cream on top, I felt like a newborn, okay? So good, so nice, so soft. I really, really love this. Of course, I will probably only use this once a week because my skin is fairly sensitive, so I would only use this once a week, but oh my god, I actually really enjoyed this. And my boyfriend has one like this as well. You know, like a skin peel thing. That is over $100. I have this. So in conclusion, I actually really, really love this product. It's hard to believe, but I actually like it. Like I'm very specific when it comes to skincare. I don't use that much, but if I do, it has to be really good and not give me any breakouts. So like I said, I did that yesterday. No breakouts whatsoever. My skin is still soft. It's nice. It's just amazing. I love this product. I never thought I would say that because I'm always a bit like skeptical and a bit scared when it comes to skincare stuff. But it was nice. And I cannot wait to do this again. So anyway, long story short, if you have this, try it out. I mean, I have fairly sensitive skin and it worked nice on me. I don't know how it is if you have like intense breakouts and acne and whatever. It's taken off your dead skin. So if you have, I mean, I obviously I would not put anything on my face if I have like bleeding spots or whatever. Stay away from this. In general, stay away from products. You know, just let your skin breathe. But I honestly don't know how it is with intense acne. I mean, they say to prevent acne, but how is it if you actually have acne? Does that help or will it just make it worse? I'm very interested in that. If you have acne and you've tried this, let me know. I mean, I feel like it would kind of clean your skin, but then again, like your skin is already raw from acne. And then put this on, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried something like this? Please let me know. I don't know if this is cruelty-free or not. If it isn't, please let me know if you have a good cruelty-free alternative for this, because I kind of like doing this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today is New Year's Eve, so I hope you have a good party or whatever you do. Just enjoy it. Don't celebrate too much. Don't throw up too much. Yeah, I hope you had a wonderful 2019. I hope 2020 will be even better. And I'll see you next video. Bye. It actually looks bad. Maybe if I bring my hair down, maybe that helps. No. I still look like poop. Hello, welcome back to my channel today. Oh my god.